Bakit kaya natagas, bossing?
Teka lang madam, sa atas madam.
First time nangyari to.
My blind there that say that they do working upstairs, no? That they put tiles out and the old stuff.
Yeah. Baka yan yung dahilan, yung paggawa ng tiles.
Say the man is not working anymore too from the lawn.
The electric fan hindi na rin po gumana, bossing.
Oh, the pipe is not working and it's amusing you.
Toilet din po ba yan sa taas, bossing?
Sa shower, sa drain madam. Maybe.
I mean, toilet din po yung sa taas, yung align
Yes
dito.
po, toilet.
Oh, the same, bossing. Kutsya.
Huh?
Toilet also upstairs. The same. Upstairs is also toilet.
He was already upstairs. I know the toilet is there upstairs. Yeah, but is it coming from the toilet?
He's checking still.
Because normally there is nobody upstairs. I don't know what.
He's still checking.
Sino lang madam.
Yung electric fan, bossing, hindi rin yan gumana.
Ginagawa na madam.
Anong gagawin dyan po?
I-report ko lang madam sa ano madam. Sa admin.
He will report to the admin.
Yes madam.
So now, anong nakita nyo pong mali? Bakit tumagas?
Active leak madam sa ano madam sa drain po ng may water closet.
Sa aming drain?
Hindi sa kanila sa taas ma'am.
It's the active leaking of the drain upstairs, not ours.
So you need to go upstairs.
So, pupunta po kayo upstairs, bossing.
If there is somebody.
Tomorrow madam.
Tomorrow, he said.
Yeah, but we have still the leaking then.
So, paano yan? Di kami...
It must stop. You cannot say tomorrow, no. Guy at home or what?
Ganyan na po ba talaga yan?
Madam?
Ganyan po ba talaga yan? Parang...
Ito?
Hindi, yung... Ayan. Kanina
Hindi,
merong
pati madam
space.
may ano madam. Hindi na nakadain madam eh.
Siguro nag-move yan sa tuktok
Sa madam
nila
ano
sa
madam
taas.
sa medyo basa kaya medyo na bumaba.
So, ganyan lang yung solution dyan ngayon. Paano?
It cannot drop here anymore.
Yeah.
Normally.
It's not dropping, boss. Not really like before.
So,